James Akers here, the tie guy. We're trying a brand new brand of tie today, Christian Dior. I do not own any Christian Dior products, but I've heard some good things about them. I know they rate right up there with some of the other luxury tie makers, so we're going to give it a shot today. This particular tie, it's a very nice classic looking tie. It's a kind of a navy blue with some red in it, so we're pairing that with a red shirt today with just some geometric patterns throughout, maybe with white, a little bit of almost like just some geometric design around with some red and whites and stuff like that on a navy blue color. Very pretty tie. It's a pretty thin tie. It's similar in thickness to like a Ferragamo, right around there. It is not as soft as a Ferragamo to the feel, but the silk does lay pretty nice. A little bit more rigid, a little bit more starchy than, say, a Ferragamo or a Zegna, or even, it feels like a Giorgio Armani. That's a good comparison. If you've had a Giorgio Armani tie, this feels a lot like that. Tiny bit softer, but very similar structure. Construction seems to be really good. It's pretty well made, so I don't have any complaints about that. Let's tie this baby up and see how it comes together. First time ever tying a Christian Dior tie. Doesn't feel like a super long tie, and if you follow me and know me, I like to tie a full Windsor. So we're going to be right here about our pec, it looks like. Let's tie this baby up. We take the long part over the short part. Now I'm doing this fairly quickly. We wrap it around. But I do have tie tutorials on my other videos where you can watch and see exactly. I go step by step. Checkpoint. We come around the front again on how to tie a full Windsor knot. I know a lot of people don't like the full Windsor. I do. I think it's the quintessential tie knot, and that's my opinion. It's my YouTube channel, so I'll stick with it, right? Let's tidy this baby up. Let's see if we got our length right. Never tied one of these before, and we got a little bit long. It's coming down below the belt buckle, a little bit too long, so let's retie. Again, brand new tie, brand new brand to me. Don't know how long to go, so now we know. See if the second time's a charm. Tie a little bit quicker this time. Let's just bring this baby together here. But we'll do all the steps in front of you so you can follow along. You can always pause if you need to. There we go. Down through the pocket, and let's see if we got our length right this time. Anytime I try a new brand, sometimes it's some trial and error getting it right. Yeah, there we go. Now we're about halfway down. As far as the feel, it is definitely soft going through. It ties a very small knot, which actually is perfect because I'm wearing a button-down shirt today. Let me button this shirt down and see how this whole thing comes together here. This is the hardest part of getting ready in the morning, I think, is when you have a button-down shirt. Trying to button those collar buttons can be a pain in the rear end. There we go, we got it through. Okay. Let's just tidy this up a little bit. Yeah, see, it's a nice tight knot. We do have our perfect triangle and everything else. Nice tight knot. Fits in this button shirt very well. I can't say I have any complaints about the tie. You know, I give honest reviews here. I think it's quality-wise right in that range with the other brands. Has a pretty decent feel to it. Not quite as soft as a Ferragamo, but a little softer than an Armani. So I would rate this right between a Giorgio Armani and a Salvatore Ferragamo as far as feel, quality, and everything else. We'll see how this knot holds up over the day. Now I'm going to start going through the look with you. I'm just going to start scrolling across the bottom of your screen right now, though. Okay. Today we're wearing a charcoal gray, a Myrna Gildo Zegna suit. So it's a gray Zegna suit. We have a red Brooks Brothers shirt on. This shirt has a little bit of an iridescent sheen to it. I really like the look of this shirt. We're wearing a navy blue Christian Dior tie with some geometric designs of reds. Pairing that today with a black Hermes belt with a gold belt buckle. It has some white stitching across the top. And we're pairing that with a pair of Christian Louboutin black Oxfords today. That's our look. Now, if you want to check out my Instagram, it's Tie Guy James Akers. On my Instagram, you'll see close-ups of the items with the labels and everything else, the shoes, the belt. I'm even going to put a close-up of my socks on. It's got some really cool-looking socks on today. So you see all that on my Instagram, as well as some selfies of me wearing the whole outfit. So check out my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please click subscribe and like. I do try to keep creating new content for you, and I do have some new ties, and we'll be tying over this next couple of weeks. Guys, have a great day. I'm ready for work.